Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Audison and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today what we've been working on is this classic Merc, this Mercedes 230e. What we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is a new set of front speakers. If you own one of these vehicles looking to get an upgrade, feel free to get in touch with us. All our contact details will be below. Drop us a message or give us a call. So if you're new to our channel, we carry out a load of installation videos just showing you a little bit more about what you could have on your particular vehicle if you own this particular system. So this is a Mercedes 230e and the speakers that we've gone for is a Audison Prima range. So they sit on top of the dashboard. They're an Audison 4-inch coaxial speaker. If you're new to our channel, feel free to press the subscribe button by hitting the link below just to keep up to date with all our latest videos. So this makes a really nice overall sound stage. You can't see a thing, and that's one of the real key things that a lot of classic car owners, like the owner of this car, was after. Something that wasn't being able to see but just made an overall better sound in the vehicle. So this can be done in the front as well as the rear speakers that are placed on the rear shelf. But with this customer's doing it in 2 stages, going to be doing the front speakers, then later on possibly doing the rear speakers. So we do lots of different systems. We can amplify this system and do a lot more with the vehicle. But it's a really nice entry-level way just to show you that you can have a new speaker system if they're blown or if they're just not sounding how you want them to sound. Obviously with the age of the car, the speakers might be perishing slightly. Just makes for a really nice sound stage in the vehicle and just gives you an enhancement of the volume as well as sound. So if you're new to our channel, again, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure you press that like button. This is a very short video just to show you a little bit more about the speaker and the radio upgrade that we've carried out on this particular vehicle. In terms of the radio, we've got the factory radio. However, as you know, if you own one of these vehicles, this particular radio is wired to the way that you can turn it on a permanent and that you can just turn it on via the dial. However, this customer tended to forget to turn it off and left it on, which is very, very easy to do. However, what we've done is utilize the factory radio and wired it to an ignition source, which basically means it just turns on and off with the ignition. Really nice and easy to use and just stops you forgetting and draining that battery. So thank you for watching our very short video of this Mercedes 230e and the front speakers that we've upgraded and the rewire of the head unit. And we look forward to upgrading your vehicle soon. Thank you.